Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Number of Cardano addresses reaches 3.5 million as ADA surges by 5%. The Cardano network has reached another huge milestone, as the number of open wallets on the blockchain reached 3.5 million, according to Messari on-chain data. As the website suggests, 3,494,888 million wallets are currently registered on the network, which means that during the next week, the number of wallets will most likely exceed 3.5 million. But while there are close to 4 million wallets on the network, only a small part of these entities remain active. According to Messari, only 136,800 wallets are active. Such a small number of active wallets suggests that the majority of Cardano users are simply holding the cryptocurrency, instead of utilizing it actively. As for the holder distribution on the network, the largest group of wallets owns from $1 worth to $100 worth of Cardano. The number of whales on the network that own more than $10 million worth of coins equals 393 wallets, which is considered insignificant. The dominance of retail traders and investors on the coins network makes it more unstable and usually causes a spike in selling pressure amid short-term price rallies. This occurs as the majority of holders at a loss prefer selling at the break-even point rather than holding out for profit in the future. As the in-out-of-the-money indicator on Into the Block suggests, Cardano remains one of the least profitable assets on the cryptocurrency network, with less than 6% of all ADA holders making profits from their investments. Such a low profitability rate is caused by the asset's price action, which remains unstable since the ATH reached back in August. Since then, the cryptocurrency has lost approximately 72% of its value. And second news today is over 500 projects building on Cardano, claims IOHK director. Cardano's network is reportedly attracting considerable interest, at least according to the marketing and communications director of IOHK. Input-output. Back in September 2021, Cardano went through one of the most important mainnet upgrades called Alonso. It was part of the development cycle of Cardano known as the Gauguin era, and the most important part of it was the integration of smart contracts. Since then, the network went through other important upgrades, and saw important developments being made. One of them was the first scaling solution based on zk-RLOPS, Orbis. In any case, this has also led to a multitude of projects building on Cardano, according to IOHK's marketing and communications director, Tim Harrison. In a LinkedIn post on March 11, he said, "The Cardano ecosystem continues to grow, with now over 500 projects building on Cardano from NFT elections to DeFi lending and new wallets. Props to all the IOG team that continues to drive the platform forward. It has been a remarkable journey to get to here. And kudos to the innovative, passionate community of builders that has brought this project so far. We're really just getting started, you know." Harrison also attached a pie graph of the purported projects, and where they are focused, showing that NFT collections account for the lion's share. Is there any basis to his rants? Well, according to one community member, McCormack's understanding of Cardano is well below the bottom line. Another asserted, Cardano is solving a different problem than Bitcoin. Unlike you, Charles celebrates Bitcoin's success, and merely points out areas that he believes. Others went on to highlight a few advantages to make a case for Cardano as one of the market's promising blockchains. Among them, its security features with zero hacks reported, low transaction fees, and scaling solutions that Bitcoiners only dream of. In fact, some have argued that this is why new investors are choosing Cardano over Bitcoin and/or Ethereum. This may be evidenced by the fact that ADA surpassed ETH and BTC in terms of transaction activity, adjusted transaction volume, less than a few weeks ago. Finally, the number of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, minted on top of the flagship network crossed the 800,000 mark too as activity on the cryptocurrency's network surged. Despite such an impressive profile, however, ADA's price action has been underwhelming. The number 8th largest token suffered a fresh correction of 2.5% at press time, falling below the $0.8 mark. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.